yes, we can go in. Who's that at the door? Hold on. Coming. Oh, hey. Hey. Where did y'all go? Remember, we went to the mall. Oh, right. Come on, let's go. Y'all can go put y'all stuff up. It's almost nighttime, so y'all can go and get in the bath and stuff. Okay. Hey, Mom. Hi. Oh, looks like y'all got some toys and stuff. Yeah, we just got back from the mall. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna go get in the bath and stuff. Okay, let's just put our stuff up first. Okay, I'm glad that y'all made it back safe. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna help Daniel get ready. Okay, I'll just go put our stuff up. Okay, what do you want to wear when you go to bed tonight? I don't really know. I have a lot of options. I want to wear this. Okay. Let's put your toys up first. Okay. Okay, now we can get in the bath and stuff. Okay. Okay, I don't know where to put his stuff, so I'm just gonna put it in there. Ooh, I'm so happy that I got these new clothes. Yay! These clothes are gonna be so good when I go to school tomorrow. Or I don't know. But I can't wait to wear them. So happy that she got them for me. Okay, let's see what I'm gonna wear tonight. This outfit looks fine. Okay. Okay, let's get you changed and stuff. Okay. Let's put that in the throw your clothes and get you up. Yay, this is gonna be so fun. I know. Alright, let's wash you up. Now we're gonna add this in. Okay, we're done. Yay, that feels so refreshing. Okay, let's put your clothes on. How did that feel? Great, I can't wait to get in the bath again. Okay, let's just put some lotion on you, okay? Okay, Nene. Okay, now you're all good to go. Maya! Yes? You can get in the bath now. Okay. Come on, let's go. Okay, let's go ahead and get in the bath. Okay, I already put my towel on. Now let's get in the bath. Okay, now let's wear myself and some soap. This feels so relaxing. Okay, now we can just indulge the bath. I'm gonna put this hot tub on. I mean, you know. Okay, now that we're done, we can start putting our clothes on. That felt so good. Now let's go ahead and do my skincare and stuff. We're about to do our skincare. Let's put my glasses down and my hairband. First, let's take off our makeup. Now let's go ahead and do our skincare. I'm gonna do this face thing. Then this one. Okay, we already mixed it in. I usually do this one, but I already put the slime one already. So we're gonna do our drops. Okay, now that we're done with massaging it in, I usually don't do my mask, but today we're gonna do it. So relaxing. When I get done with my face mask and stuff, I usually just watch some, my iPad and stuff. Okay, the face mask is ready to come off. Let's go ahead and take it off. Now let's brush our hair. Okay, now I'm pretty done with my skin routine. Now I usually just read a book. One day I would like to become a bakery, but I also like to book some stuff down about my day. But since I have to catch up on my bakery stuff because I want to be bakery one day, let's go ahead and catch up on that. Okay, I know it's my bath routine now. And so I usually just get a towel, wash myself up. I don't do no skincare or whatever. Alright, let's get in. First, I just put my towel on. I'm just gonna put my dirty clothes in there. This feels good. I see that they have a little heater. Then I like to put some soap on. Then I would like to relax in it a little bit and stuff like that. Okay, now we can put our night clothes on. That felt so refreshing. But yeah, that's my night routine. Then I like to read myself a good book. I like to read myself a good book, and I'm not gonna put any hairspray in my hair today. So it's time to make dinner for my family. We're gonna make some pasta. It's okay, I'll get you some baby food too. So first, make sure that water is hot. I'll just leave that in there while I get the spaghetti and stuff. Now that it's done, we're gonna let it boil a little bit. Okay, now that it's boiling, it should be done. Now we just open the pack and then put it in there. I'm not used to making 5 spaghettis because we usually make 4. But, it's fine. Then we have to wash the tomatoes. Okay, now we're done washing the tomatoes. While I will let the food cook a little, I'll mix it in and stuff. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now we can start mixing it in. Okay, now it looks about done, so I'll start getting everyone's plates ready. So since we have more guests than expected, we're gonna have to use one of our new plates. This one's Maya's plate. This one's my plate. Oops. This one's my husband's plate. And this one is the grandma plate. Then we make one for for Daniel, and that's Daniel's plate. His plate's kind of small. So of course it's not gonna fit. So we just put it in the bowl. Okay, time to get everyone to start eating. Dinner's done. Come and eat. Coming. Okay, time to eat. Okay. Coming. Okay, hopefully y'all like the food. Okay, let's pray. They pray. Okay, time to eat. Oh, I totally forgot. What do y'all want to drink? Let's go with Maya first. Can I drink some pop? Sure, which one? Coca-Cola. Here's your Coca-Cola. Can I drink some lemonade? Okay. Lemonade coming up. Thank you. How about you? I'll want some water. Okay. How about you, my mom? Y'all have some wine? No, we don't. I'll just take strawberry. Okay. And I'll take some water too. Okay, put y'all dishes up. Okay. Okay, y'all should start getting ready for bed. Okay. Okay, you go ahead and take a shower. I'll try to put the baby to sleep. Okay. Go to sleep, go to sleep, go to sleep, little baby. Go to sleep, go to sleep. Who got time for you? Finally, he's asleep. Act like the crying didn't happen. Okay. Whew, that took a while. Let me go ahead and get my pajamas. I can't wait to go to sleep. Okay, time for me to go to sleep now. Okay, that's it for today RP. Hope y'all like me adding the verse. I was trying to make this RP a little, not too long. But yeah, I'm gonna start posting more. Bye.